Hey y'all, today we're going to do something different. We're going to unbox my recent Whatnot purchases. Now, I'm just going to get straight into it. I didn't think I would be a big fan of Whatnot, okay? I actually haven't even made an account until maybe like the last 2 weeks. Whenever I saw all my friends start going to Whatnot, I knew I had to make an account, sign on. It's become addicting. Long story short, I have to definitely limit myself to how many shows I go to because I seem to be purchasing something at every show. I did purchase from two of my favorite resellers here on YouTube, Clarissa over at Thriving Thrifters and Jess over at Gorgeous. I'm going to link their YouTube videos down below. You guys, I just applied to sell on Whatnot. I'm probably not going to do a ton of shows. I'm not going to do shows weekly. But I'm definitely going to do at least probably once a month, maybe twice a month. We'll just see how it goes. And you guys already know my stuff is going to be super cheap. Probably start everything at $2 or $3. But because I bought so much, I decided to go ahead and make an entire video. So yeah, this video, it feels kind of weird because number one, I parted my hair different, which like as a girl, you know, when you do something different with your hair, you're really self-conscious. Anyway, I parted my hair different. I'm filming in a different spot. You guys let me know how you like this. I'm rearranging my office. So I have this big wall I can film on now. I'm doing that mostly for my try-on videos. I was having such a hard time in my living room filming like a full body. Anyway, before we get into like my office rearrangement, I do just want to let you know I will put my Whatnot profile link down below. I think it's at Murrayed Life, same here on YouTube. So go ahead, follow me. As soon as I get accepted to sell on Whatnot, I will be informing you guys. And you guys already know we're going to do some giveaways. We're going to make it fun. You guys let me know what is like a good time to do a show during the day, at night. I'm really mostly available during the day. You guys let me know. I'm excited to share what I purchased. I will try to, if I can remember, like maybe pop up on the screen how much I paid for everything. Everything I got was super cheap, fabulous deals. Let me show you what I got. So these aren't all of my Whatnot purchases, but I just realized I had to rate like the people I'm buying from. So I was like, Alicia, you got to go ahead and unbox this stuff so you can rate. But yeah, like I said, Clarissa and Jess are who I purchased these items from. I just would rather, this is just me personally, I would rather sit at home and purchase from a reseller that I know and love than I would to buy like, say like a ThredUp rescue box or something and I already know what I'm gonna get. So let me know in the comments down below, how do you feel about Whatnot? Your opinion is free here. I'm not gonna judge you either way. Like I said, I was totally like, oh, Whatnot's not for me, until I made an account and realized this stuff is addicting. Okay, so first one is this bag here. I got this from Clarissa. I got my scissors here. And I'll just chat with y'all real quick. So Clarissa, I have been on most of her shows. She is Thriving Thrifters here on YouTube. And so far, she has had the highest bid that I have seen. I think something went almost $100. I almost bid on it. It was a Dior bag. So we already know Clarissa, she does her ship with me videos. I've thought about doing a ship with me video, but you guys, I don't do like fancy packaging or anything, so I don't know if you guys would care to see it. But she wraps everything, and then she put in a little packing slip and then a little sticker. Thank you. So honestly, if you saw Clarissa's Ship With Me's, this is what you expect. Everything she sends out is wrapped and always so pretty. Look at this. So I got this adorable little bag in fabulous condition. Small little size here. And I don't know if this had a brand. Oh, it did. ROLFS. I don't think you can see. It's going to be hard to show you. I didn't even look up the resale value on this. Like I said, everything I got was super cheap. So whenever I saw this, I knew I had to bid on it. Super, super cute. I may wear this out maybe once or twice, but I do plan on reselling this. I plan on reselling, I think, everything I bought. I don't know if I bought anything for myself. We're going to save the paper. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Next up, this is from Jess, Gorgeous here on YouTube, and I got a pretty big bundle. Jess had some amazing deals. I don't even know if I spent $5 on any of these pieces. Anyway, long story short, both of these girls, if you're looking for options that, oh my gosh, I'm reading Jess's note real quick. I snuck in a couple extra shirts. Jess, oh my gosh, she already gave me a deal, so she did not have to do that. Jess also packaged up everything very nicely. Yeah, I think I got 2 skirts for like $2 or $3 on Jess's. I think this is what I'm unboxing right here. Or maybe it's not. I also just bought a vintage Alfred Dunner like maxi skirt top set. Anyway, do you guys want to see all my whatnot purchases? Because I'm purchasing way too much, so stay tuned. There will be more videos like this. Yeah, these are some of the skirts I got. So these are Worthington. This is a size 10, and it is just a floral skirt. I have been really into selling skirts and dresses lately. Is this the other skirt? This, yeah, Worthington again, size 10. Really nice. This is like, I don't know if this has ever been worn. Like new condition, maxi skirt. And is this something she threw in? Or did I purchase 3 skirts for $3? I'm going to have to go back. Size 8. Really pretty. Maybe this is what she threw in. Paisley, colorful. Yeah, you can definitely, in my opinion, at least on the like shows I've been to, I definitely think it's a sourcing opportunity. Oh yeah, Whatnot gave me a referral link. So if you guys want to help me out making some of these purchases, I think like you get $10, I get $10 is like how their referral system works. So if you haven't made a Whatnot account yet, I know there's still plenty of you guys out there that haven't, please use my referral link because I'm buying a lot on these shows like every day. Okay. All right. Here is something Paisley. Oh, yeah. Did I see this at her show? Or is this what did I buy this? You guys, I can't remember what I bought. I've been buying too much. Okay, so this is brand new, $58. Oh, I did buy this. Okay. This is a 2-piece Leslie Faye Paisley outfit. Super cute. Button front. So I don't sell a lot of vintage, as y'all know. However, the most recent vintage I've sold was Leslie Faye. It was not new with tags. There's the tag right there. Love it. 2-piece. 2 pieces do great for me. Button front. Love that. Okay, so I guess I ordered all of that. And then here was something else. Let me throw that over there. Here was, I guess, something else she threw in. And this is adorable. Is this a 2-piece? No. Jess, are you serious? Look at this. Maxi skirt. And did I tell you the brand on this or the size? This is cute. What size is this? Size 6. And it looks smaller. It is made in USA vintage. This honestly probably is more like a 2-4. This is cute. I may keep this. That is cute. I'm actually going thrifting right after I film this video. And I was trying to think, what should I wear? I need like a comfortable thrifting outfit. That may be it. Okay, next is new with tag. So I did not purchase these 2 pieces. Thank you, Jess. You guys, make sure you go follow Jess and Clarissa over at Whatnot because they are doing a ton of auctions. I think Clarissa's done like 5 or 6 at least by the time I'm filming this video. Jess has done 2 or 3 the past like week. Yeah, they're doing a lot of shows And I love those two girls. So, I just want to support people. I think Whatnot is a great way to just support somebody and source at the same time, Okay, we're getting into the boxes now. Let's see. Let me find these scissors. Open this up. Or should I pull it? I don't know why I get the scissors out. We're going to use our thrift muscles to open this. Like I said, Clarissa, you already know she's wrapped it. Thank you sticker. Ooh. Yep, I already forgot what this was. Oh, I remember this. Okay, cool. Okay, and she sent me her little card that we see in her Ship With Me. So I'm going to put that right there. If you guys have ever sent me a business card, if I've bought from you or you just sent me something and you have sent me a business card or a thank you letter, just know I have kept it. I keep them in a little box thing right next to my laptop. So I got this. This was super cute. I don't know. I'm going to have to try it on because this is Victoria's Secret. It's a 32D. That may be too tight. Throw that over there. But anyway, I'm going to try it on and see if it works for me. Like I said, I got this stuff so cheap. So even if it doesn't work, definitely resellable. There is the tag. It looks like it was $25. Victoria's Secret is one of my best sellers. Has a cute little cutout right there. I'm going to the gym too. Probably right before thrift. No, I should go after thrifting, huh? Yeah, after thrifting. Ooh, this feels good. What did I order? This is like Christmas for me too because I forget what I'm ordering. Oh, yeah. Oh, this. Okay, two of Clarissa's sales. I had a few drinks. And I'm pretty sure, okay, I don't even know. 59 degrees. Is that what this is? Why did I get this? I don't know. The drinks were flowing, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's cute. That is cute. I've never sold that brand before. Yeah, that's what happened at some of these things. So if you're trying to sell and whatnot, my advice, my unprofessional advice, I've never even had a show, do it at night. Do it at 8, 9 o'clock once everyone has had a couple drinks, and maybe you'll make more sales. I don't know. Oh, I was excited about this. This is size extra large, but it's a Peloton. I have been hearing my friend Kay over at Passports and Pizza Pies. This is awesome. She has been talking about how well this Peloton stuff sells. I've yet to find it. So, oh, and it looks like I got some leggings. I don't remember buying these either. Catherine Maladrino. I have a robe from her. These are cute. Just a pair of blue leggings. I don't know if it had a price tag on here. It didn't say the price. But her stuff I know does sell pretty well. All right, so that was, oh no, paper goes this bin here. Keep that together. Okay, last box. Let's see if we can just pull it open again. Yeah, those were my whiskey and Coke night purchases right there. Okay. I just did my nails. I don't know why I do this to myself. Okay. Next, Clarissa purchase. I purchased more from Jess. I just haven't got the packages yet, but she's shipping. It's just I haven't received them yet. Thank you sticker. And what did I purchase? Oh, this is the one I want to give away. I've won 2 giveaways so far on Whatnot. So, you guys, I'm not like a professional Whatnot buyer or seller by any means, but I think giveaways are a big thing over there. So I've been seeing everyone do them, and so far I got another Clarissa card. So far I have won 2. So this was this a giveaway or did I buy this? I think this was the giveaway. Yeah. This is just a Vera Bradley. And you guys, I don't source Vera Bradley, but every time I've received it from a friend, from a ThredUp box, it sells. And this is cute. Has the zipper. It's like a huge wallet. Tons of card holders right here. So thank you so much, Clarissa. Oh, I was at a show today. Kelly Schaffner had a show. Y'all, she was giving away Everlane, Robert Graham. Kelly, you had like the best giveaways I've seen. That is crazy, girl. That was some good giveaways. Okay, I purchased this because I have sold something similar to this. And when you guys see this, you're going to be like, what? Rue 21. So normally I would never buy Rue 21, but because this is tie-dye, because it's extra large, and because it's a bodysuit, I just figure someone is going to like this. So like I said, I paid like nothing for this stuff. So even if I just sold this for $15, which I think I'll get $15 for this, that's awesome for me. And, oh, this is heavy. Oh, this is in better condition than I thought. So, this was actually everything I just unboxed out of this box. This was my first, I feel like I'm all over the place with this video, you guys, but it's okay. You guys are following along, right? So, this was the first ever Whatnot show I had ever been to. I don't know if Clarissa knew that. And I think I went to her show a little late. And originally, before the show, I went into her store. So, like, you can go into someone's store and see what they're going to show during the actual show. And I saw this, and I was like, ooh, I want that. I want to buy that. And so I was late going into her show, and then I realized she hadn't sold it, or I asked her if she sold it, and she had run it, but no one bought it. So I told her rerun it. So that's a tip. If you see something and it hasn't sold, tell them to rerun it. This is a good one. I can't believe no one bid on this. This is a 5X. 5X. I hardly find anything, number one, in 5X, and number two, something I would source or have, you know, experience selling. This is a Chicago Bulls shirt, and it has just like some writing and stuff behind it, but just a short sleeve Chicago Bulls. I have done well with really anything Chicago Bulls, so you know I had to get that. All right, y'all, that was my Whatnot purchases from the past, I guess the past like week and a half. Thank you everyone for sticking with me during this video. I feel like I'm just so out of whack right now because I'm in a different room. My hair's different. I've never done a Whatnot like unboxing. So thank you for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. You already know there's going to be more unboxings from Whatnot coming your way. So let me know down below in the comments what you think of Whatnot. Have you bought anything on there? Are you selling on there? Let me know. Make sure to follow me. You don't have to buy anything at my show, but you can be entered to win the giveaways I have once I become an approved seller. So I will see you guys very soon for a new video. Bye, y'all.